Coming up!
Coming up! Way up!
Coming down! They're sitting there. Hey! Damn.
Nice one, though.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you got skunked.
I didn't get skunked. Oh.
Right now. Don't worry. Oh shit, there he is.
Oh.
I know I hit him.
There we go. Nice fish. Holy shit. He ate it. Damn, he's going. Oh, coming up. Coming up. Coming back down. Coming down. Wow, that's a big fish. Look how big it is. There we go.
I didn't even know he was there.
Thank God. That thing is huge.
Yeah, he is.
That's a big fish. There's a big fish. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a nice one. Really nice fish. Fish on!
Hey, Dad. Let's have a little urgency here with that. I don't know what's on. I'll tell you what to do.
No, don't go in there yet. Don't scare the
No, I'm not. Yeah, he doesn't even know his way from me.
He will leave.
It's pretty big.
Yeah, he'll feel a little pressure behind him, he'll wake up. You're on.
Nice.
Went right back to the same fucking low.
He's right behind you. Got him?
Just striking out twice.
Holy shit.
Don't strike out twice.
Thank you very much. Wow, look at that hook set. Holy shit. Wow.
He didn't even.
Wow, that's a big son of a bitch.
Big fish. Right in the mouth.
You want him, Dad?
Yeah.
Big fish. Oh my God. That might be one of my biggest fish today.
There you go. That's
Right with his jewelry in the mouth.
That's a big fish.
That's a big fucking fish.
That is a big fish. All right. What the?
Stay there, stay there.
That was easy.
That was easy.
That was the easiest catch of my life.
I was just there for 45 minutes.
Oh, wow, the hook just popped out.
Look at that.
Wow.
That made it even easier.
Easier, yeah. Holy shit, that was easy. Yeah, I guess we could. Actually, I got it. Wow, that's a nice fish. Look at that thing right in the mouth. That was easier than just all the fish, guys. Gave them some to my dad. That thing is giant. That might be my biggest king to date. Wow, I'm gonna get a better view. I just want to show you guys real quick because it's really warm out. Wow, what a great day. Big fish. All right, guys, we're back at the motel. What a great day it was. I mean, we drove up all night to get to this spot in the morning. I definitely didn't think I was gonna catch that many fish. I mean, I knew I was gonna catch like 1 or 2, but not 5. That was really, really, really good day. Really good day. Spread those meat around for friends and family. Gave my dad some fish, but my dad didn't catch any. I don't know how he didn't, but it was kind of amazing because he was doing the same thing I was doing and he didn't catch it. It's just crazy, but definitely one of my biggest kings to date. That one of my sight fished him. I wish I had it on film, but the battery's low, so I just kind of fight the fish a little bit, then I press record. So that was definitely a big king, and that one at the end, that was the easiest salmon fight in my life. I just can't believe it. Like that guy said, it can't be any easier than that. But overall, great day, guys, on the salmon, world famous Salmon River. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video, and hopefully there'll be another one coming out. You guys will know, but for right now, I don't know it yet. So hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Fish.